Sometimes you see somebody, food arrives, like elephant. They start, they're elephant. They have 5 courses. I want some of this. I want some of that. Get some donuts and some meat and some this. He has all the time. Yeah, but it's going to take you a while. No, I'm hungry. 5-course meal, you're hungry for 5? Yeah, I haven't eaten all day. What are you talking about? We ate 2 hours ago. No, I'm hungry. You have it here. It's free. It's free is the best price. They have, okay, what about, okay, you finished eating kapara. You finished? Good for you. You're hungry. You're good? Yeah, I'm full. Let's go. Wait a minute. Birkat Hamazon. No, Birkat Hamazon. I'm in a hurry, man. So to eat for an hour, 5-course meal, you have time. But say Birkat Hamazon, 5 minutes with kavanah, you don't have time. Or they better yet, they do Birkat Hamazon, but it sounds like a shayatzal. They do Birkat Hamazon, but it sounds like they're saying Borei Pli'aetz. Finished. What finished? I just started the first line. You already finished 6 paragraphs. How? He started with the Baruch Atah Hashem, for the he finished the Shema Yisrael. How'd you get the Shema Yisrael? It's not part of Birkat Hamazon. I'm in a hurry, man. Let's just go. Hashem knows what I mean. Hashem knows what I mean. But to eat like an elephant, he has time. She has time to eat like an elephant. But then she says, Rabbi, isn't there a short version for women? Isn't there a short version for women? Yes, there is a short version for women that have kids on top of their head. But you're my friend. You're sitting in your office. No one's standing on top of your head. You're sitting in your house. The kids are in school. No one's on top of your head. What? You're in a hurry to go watch Oprah? You're in a hurry to go watch Ellen DeGeneres donate money to monkeys? What are you in a hurry for? You weren't in a hurry to eat the 5-course meal. Why can't you do Birkat Hamazon to say thank you? You see, Rabotai, this Bitachon is not just something that you could apply on specific conditions and specific times. It's something that's literally applicable all day, every day. Do you have the confidence and belief that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is watching you right now? If you did see him, actually see Hashem, would you still be doing the same thing you're doing now? Would you still be thinking the same things you think now? Would you still be wearing the same things you wear now? This is why there was a woman named Kimchi, that all of her sons came out to be tzaddikim gdolim to the extent they're all kohanim gdolim. 7 kids, all kohanim gdolim. The sages were enamored by this. So to have one kid that's righteous is amazing. All of them, one after another, one Gedol Hador, another Gedol Hador, another one, everyone. They went to the mother and they asked her, what's the secret? What'd you do? She says, Miyamai, my entire life, I made sure that even my walls in my house never saw my hair. I hired a woman to come and cover me with a sheet. So I could change and fix my kisui rosh in my own house. I don't want the walls to see. That level of modesty is not because she's afraid some guy is going to look at her and think things. No, that has nothing to do with any guy. There's no guys there. That modesty comes from Bitachon. Bitachon that HaKadosh Baruch Hu, He's here. He's watching. And Hashem, I know you're watching. This is the best that I can do. I know you're watching even what I'm doing under the sheet. But at least you know that I know that you're watching, so this is the best that I can do. Hashem says, this is the best that you can do. I'll show you the best that I can do. All your sons are going to be Kohanim Gdolim. You're going to be the most modest, even when there's no one to be modest of except me. I'll show you what I can do. When a person raises themselves above the standard of Kedusha, Hashem raises his children, her children, their life above what's supposed to be.